Morning YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. This is Jane and George art video, and as Christmas is coming up, Jane's been making these Santa Clauses, and what I've been doing is I turned this on the lathe, this Christmas tree. It's going to have a star on the top, and it's made from windfall wood. You can see there's still a piece of where a branch would be, and I've got some more windfall wood there which I'm going to turn into another tree. And also I'm going to see if I can turn a character like this on the lathe to get the basic shape from these bits of wood. This is windfall wood that I collected from the woods, and I've got it centred as best I can in the vise. Sorry, in the lathe, small modelling lathe. I'm going to take the bark off, but I'm going to start getting like a point going from this end, and this will be the base and this will be tapered. So that's what I'm going to do, but I've just broke the bracket for my camera, so I'm going to do it, start on it and then come back to it. Okay, you can see I started taking the bark off and making it round. And before I do any more, I think I'll start marking where the base is going to be. I haven't got a lot of wood to work with. This is going to be the base of the tree. This is going to be the trunk in there, and this bit is where it's going to be parted off. So I've got to make this cone shaped, so it looks a bit like this one. See the tree taking shape. This is what similar. You can see the parting point there, very thin. This is the base, the trunk, the tree. It's just got to be sanded down now. It's quite an open grain wood, but I'm not sure what it is, but it will do for a Christmas tree. And there we have it, a Christmas tree. About an hour's work, something like that. Excuse the noise in the background, it's the boiler. So there's Santa, and there's a Christmas tree. That's a bit of a funny one, but still, there we go. These are some of the things Jane's been making a few weeks ago, and these are Scarecrows, and I turned the bases on the lathe, and so there's Scarecrows. There's four seasons of the year. That one's for Christmas, that one's for spring, I think, and then there's the others. Plus there's a few owls that she's made, which are very, very nice. I think they're really good, funny characters. It's difficult to make two of the same. They never end up the same. The same with making my bowls and things like that. Now, she made some Christmas characters. There's Father Christmas. Again, I made the bases, turned them up on the lathe, and it's old wood that's lying around, so that's Father Christmas. She wasn't happy with the face, so she started making smaller ones, and then of course we just mentioned the trees, and that's a tree there which I turned on the lathe. She's painted them. This is one piece of wood, and that's the base, and you can see there's a knot in it. So there's that tree there. And then today I made these trees, so she'll paint them. These are one piece of wood, scrap wood mainly. All that's fallen down in the storms. There's another one there. They're easy to turn on a lathe. And then, because he wants a star on the top of this one, I don't know if you can see it, it's been painted. It's actually, when you buy coffee, they give you little wooden sticks for stirring your coffee. And she's glued them together to make like a star. And that will go on the top of here. Oh, I can't put it in at the moment, but that will be the star that goes on top of this Christmas tree. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and share or whatever you want to do. Thanks very much. Bye.